Welcome to your June Take and Make. Today we are going to be making a construction paper camp out. Included in your Take and Make is a piece of white construction paper, a blue construction paper tent, a green construction paper tree, and a brown construction paper campfire. You also will need scissors, glue, preferably a glue stick, and crayons or markers to decorate. The first thing you need to do is take your scissors and cut out your objects. So you're going to cut out your tent, the triangle, you're going to cut all around the logs, and you are going to cut out your tree. I've cut around all of my pieces, but I still have one more cut to make. I'm going to cut down this line here on the tent with my scissors. And make sure you don't go all the way through, just go to the end of the black line. And now we are going to fold the flaps of the tent back like so. There we go. And now we'll be able to close or open and see inside our tent. Our pieces are all cut, so it's time to start gluing. So you can arrange your pieces however you want. I think I'm going to put my tree over on the left. I'm going to put my campfire on the right and my tent in the middle. I want to make sure that I don't glue past this crease because otherwise I will be gluing my tent shut. You can also just fold these pieces up to make sure you don't get glue on them. There we go. And with these folded up, I know there's no glue. Our glue is dry, and now it is time for the fun part, time to decorate our scene. I am finished decorating my camp scene. I added a fire here, more trees in the background to make it look more like a forest. I put a moon and a bunch of stars in the sky. I wrote Camp CLPL on the tent because that is part of our summer reading theme, Read Beyond the Beaten Path at Camp CLPL. And then inside, I drew a sleeping dog. You can draw whatever you want inside your tent. You can draw yourself and your family. You can draw pets. You can even cut out a little picture and put it inside there if you want. So there we go. We are all finished. Thank you for watching and have fun making your own construction paper camp out.